Last month, we met our Auxie's best friends, and now they have to say their goodbyes. We have seen their journey, their homes, and even met their favorite people. They have immersed themselves in the Spanish culture. What will Jessica miss the most?
If you're looking for a sign to teach English abroad, this is it. In no particular order, I will be recapping my favorite memories in Madrid, Spain. My time here has been amazing thanks to my friends. Making friends here is surprisingly simple. The food here is also amazing. I mean, even doggies love jamón. Isn't this picture so funny? I'm here in Spain as an English language assistant. My school and my kiddos are the absolute best. I love my job. These are some pictures of me on a field trip. One of the best parts about Spain is that there are so many beautiful landmarks. Even after being here for a year, I still want to see so many more. The public transportation here is great. I don't love driving, so you know I love the metro. It is so easy to get anywhere. And speaking about going anywhere, traveling in Europe is a huge plus. Here is me in Paris and in Italy. Football culture here is big, and as someone who grew up playing football, I absolutely love this about Spain. My favorite team is the Atlético de Madrid, despite seeing some Real Madrid pictures here. One of my favorite memories of the year was taking a trip to Toledo. Toledo is very close and very beautiful, so I recommend doing this. And although I miss my friends and family, I look forward to their visits and getting to become the local and showing them my favorite spots. And last but not least, I have enjoyed immersing myself in a different culture. On the left is me eating a roscón for Dia de Reyes. I got to find the little king. And with that said, thank you so much, Spain and Conversa Spain, for making these memories possible.
And from Madrid, we go to Castilla-La Mancha one last time to see the memories made by our favorite duo.
La vida es el momento, no tengo mucho tiempo, que me queda por hacer. Digo, la suerte que yo tengo es que me sobran argumentos para no echarla a perder. Visa para un sueño, en el bolsillo algún dinero y mucho por conocer. Tengo la guitarra en el trastero, mi maleta de viajero y un montón por aprender. Siento que la vida es solo una y enseguida, tan ahorita que ya se esfumó. El tiempo va corriendo y a su paso convirtiendo el presente en algo que ya pasó. Ya pasó el presente como un rayo, ya pasó como pasan los años, ya pasó.
Remember back to when Marisa first got to Castilla y León? Now it has become home to her. What will she miss the most?
Hello, this is my last and final video for Conversa Spain. I finished school on the 31st of May, and my favorite thing about Spain was definitely the views, the culture, and my experience was fabulous. I think that everybody who wants to come and experience Spain should definitely sign up, and hopefully you'll enjoy this experience just as much as me. Some other things that I enjoyed while having a year in Spain was getting to know all my students and see their families outside of school. One of the greatest experiences was the running of the bulls in my city of Benavente, and we celebrated the Toro the whole week, and I'm going to miss the food and the wine and definitely being able to walk around the city every single day and, live life in Spain. It's been a dream, and I'm super excited for what's to come next. Thanks for following my journey, and have a great summer.
We still haven't shared what we will miss the most though. Our auxiliares. Thank you to everyone for sharing your videos, memories, and journey with us. You will always hold a special place in Conversa Spain, because once a ConversaSpainer, always a ConversaSpainer.